Hi there, my name is Olivia, and if you are a client and your coach is using CoachVantage, this video is for you. Today, I will teach you how to access your coaching programs within the client portal. For demonstration purposes, we are currently in Ian Lee's client portal, and Ian Lee is a fake client. As a client, when you have enrolled in a coaching program, you will have access to any files, goals, notes, assignments, etc. that your coach has shared with you as part of the program. Let's first take a look at how to access a coaching program from within the client portal. From the client dashboard, select one-on-one coaching on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, click the program card with the corresponding program that you are enrolled in, and you will be taken to the program management page. On the program management page, you will see your coach's name, the start date, the end date, if there is one. If there's not an end date, you will see TBD, which stands for to be determined. Also, you have the progress bar. The progress bar shows the number of sessions or hours that have been completed. In addition, you will see the sub-menu that includes notes, forms, goals, assignments, and more. The program management page enables a two-way collaboration between a coach and a client. It is dynamically updated whenever content is shared between a coach and a client. Let's take a closer look at the sub-menu here, starting with notes. Both you and your coach can take notes during your session. These notes can either be just for you, the client, as a private note, or you can also share the note with your coach. To create a new note, simply click the green New Note button here, and you will be taken to the Note widget. This is where you can add a title to your note, and then type your note here. When finished, you can save your note either as a private note just for you, or you can save and share it with your coach. In this case, I'll save it as a private note. Great, the note's been saved successfully. Once a note is saved successfully, you will notice that you're able to add comments. The comments field can be used for further communication with your coach, or if you wish to add your own comments or thoughts on the note. When I go back to all notes, I can see my note here. Next, let's review the forms section. If your coach has sent you a form to complete, it will appear here. Please refer to the How to Respond to Forms article for more information on this topic. Next, let's take a look at the Goals section. To create a goal, simply click Create New Goal. Type in a name for the goal, a description, and a due date. And when you're ready, press Save. You will see that your goal has been successfully created. Once a goal has been created, it will be automatically displayed in both you and your coach's program management page in the Active Goals section. In addition, an email notification will be automatically sent to your coach whenever you create, edit, or make a change to a goal. You can optionally add milestones to goals as well. To do this, simply click the goal that you have created and then press the plus milestone button here. Type in the name of the milestone and the due date, and then press Save. Great, your milestone has successfully been created. To delete a milestone, simply click Delete here. Alternatively, to edit a milestone, simply click the pencil icon to make any desired changes. To mark a milestone as completed, check this box. Congratulations! And your milestone has now been completed. As milestones get checked off, the milestone completion bar progresses automatically and displays the percentage completion of all milestones. If you wish to mark a milestone as not completed, simply uncheck this box, and this will move the milestone progress bar back. To learn more about goals on the program management page, please refer to the article titled How to Manage Coaching Goals. Next in the sub-menu, we have assignments. This is where you can view your active assignments. You will see the assignment name in addition to the due date. When I click on this assignment, I will be given more details. Here is where you can see the assignment status is currently not started. To change that, I can simply click here and a drop-down menu will appear where I can change the status to in progress or completed. This is also where I can add files relating to the assignment, including documents, worksheets, or images. To add a file to an assignment, simply click Add File. You have the option of inputting a message or instructions regarding this assignment file, and you can also choose the file from your resource library if you wish. If not, You can simply choose a file from your computer. This pop-up window will appear where you can easily drag and drop the file that you would like to upload. Once you locate the file, simply click Add. Remember to press Save, and the file will be uploaded and saved to the assignment. Next, let's take a look at the Resources section of the Program Management page. On this page, you will be able to see the files that you and your coach have uploaded. To add a file, simply select Add New File, and then select the file of your choosing. Remember to press Add when complete, and you will see that file has been successfully uploaded. You also have the option of uploading a file from your resource library by clicking here. Next, let's take a look at Sessions. On the Sessions ribbon, you will be able to see the upcoming sessions and past sessions related to this coaching program. If your coach has given you the option of booking an appointment with them, you will see the Book an Appointment button here. This is where you can schedule a meeting with your coach. First, you will select a program to book an appointment. You will also see your coach's name, the duration of the session, and also other relevant information. Then, you can select a time you would like to meet with your coach by clicking on the calendar day and then selecting a time from the given options. Press Confirm Booking here when finished. A pop-up window will open asking you to confirm the booking. Success! You will receive an email with your booking confirmation. Next, let's take a look at the activity log. The activity log displays a history of all actions and transactions that were performed by coach and coachee throughout the course of the program engagement. It also displays the date and time of each action. Please note that the green text in the activity log is actually a clickable link and takes you directly to the page where that action was performed. And the very last ribbon is the Overview ribbon. This section of the Program Management page displays the program description and program structure. And that concludes our video on how to access your coaching program in the Client Portal. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week ahead.